What are you doing, buddy?
साला कर क्या रहा है आप?
मिरर में ठोक दिया तुमने। जाता मैं तो पीछे से ट्रक भी आ रही थी। Very nice, buddy. Very nice. So you are driving a Lexus. So
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
Doesn't matter. But damn, it's very nice. Very beautiful. I wish the maintenance would have been much better. Because Lexus has that premium color feel. We don't get to see Lexus that often. Is that an extra bumper under the Desire? Or the bumper has come down? Yeah, I mean, see, look at the ground clearance. Maybe the shock absorbers have gone back. I don't know. It's almost touching the ground. See this Desire and see this one. That Desire is very down to earth. See this Desire. Oh my god, there are Desires everywhere. Should I also desire something? Another Desire. Maybe every day I see them, but I don't notice. Oh, another one. So is it today or I don't notice them? Hey, what the? See? See? What? I think this lady is finding it difficult to take it from there. I'll come around the bus. Damn, I underestimated. क्या पोपट हुआ यार?
गजब बेइज्जती है।
Adjust your mirror, no? Wow. The helmet is been kept. The helmet was hung on his scooter. What are you doing, buddy? There was no signal from your end. कहाँ से आ रहे हैं लोग? ओह, यहाँ से आ रहे हो। Damn it. You can't even walk from the footpath.
Of course, a tea stall on the footpath, people using their phone, standing and having conversation, having tea. And this gentleman over here is using a toothpick. Of course, the lady has to walk on the road. What's wrong in it, right?
अरे कहाँ से चल रहे हो भाई?
अरे सुधरो रे अभी तो।
I mean, at least take a look, sneak peek तो कर लो. That vehicles are coming, not coming. Whoa, 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 oh, 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 oh. Yeah, see, Andheri station, the colony of rickshawala, the colony of all the rickshaw drivers. अरे
साला कर क्या रहे हैं आप?
What, you're sleeping or what? In the middle of the road? Bloody phones are bloody so important for some people. They're so annoying. Again, he is on his phone. Why your phone is so important for you, man?
अम्मा बहन पे आ जाऊंगा मैं इनकी।
God knows. Idiot. Still on his phone, see? अपने जिगर को थाम के बैठो, थाम के बैठो, थाम के बैठो के बांधी कमरिया से सारी के आई अब आंटी की बारी रे।
मात कब
अरे तुझे क्यों है इतना घाई क्यों है तुमको? इतना घाई क्यों है? इतना घाई क्यों है? मिरर में ठोक दिया तुमने तो? इतना घाई क्या? इतना ट्रैफिक है ही ना इधर, क्या उड़ के जाओगे तुम?
पंछी बनूं उड़ती फिरूं मस्त गगन।
तो क्यों तुम ऐसा क्यों चला रहे हो फिर?
मतलब मैं उड़ जाऊंगा।
हाँ तो तुमने ठोका क्यों फिर?
ध्यान नहीं दिया,
और गिर जाता मैं तो, पीछे से ट्रक भी आ रही थी।
ध्यान नहीं दिया मैंने पीछे।
तो ध्यान दिया करो, वो मिरर विरर है ना उसको यूज किया करो। Idiots like them, man. There was vehicles standing on my left, on my right. There were vehicles coming from the left. Idiots like them. Yeah, that was very scary, man. First of all, it is so crowded, and he wants to ride like Michael. He wants to ride like Michael Schumacher. I was trying to maneuver my bike. There were vehicles from both the ends. He just wanted to squeeze in his rickshaw. If the impact would have been higher, I would have just fallen down. You know, that wouldn't have been a pleasant sight. And that he's not even. He didn't even realize that he dashed me. And he was like, "lag gaya, ho gaya." कौन जाता है? I mean, they are not apologetic only, yeah. So annoying, yeah, so annoying. The entire journey was so smooth, and then he had to do this. Idiot like him. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. See, a simple sorry can just resolve everything. He didn't even bother to fight back because he understood. That's what we want, right? Just say sorry. It gets my blood boiling when people just don't accept their mistake and they start arguing. Well, thanks to the build quality of Royal Enfield की ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं. Even after such great impact, nothing happened to the mirror. डिटेलिंग उड़ के कोई जा सकता है क्या? जोक मार रहा है क्या? I'm so sorry, babe. Well, last time there was that car driver on my left. He had impacted this. He had dashed this mirror, and this time the rickshaw fellow dashed this mirror. I was in front of him, yeah. He tried to squeeze in his rickshaw from the right. और थोड़ा अंदर होता मेरा हैंडल तो मेरे को लेके चले जाता वो अपने साथ. I don't know. The more I think, the more angrier I'll get. Anyway, so I'm almost reaching.